And we are live.
What up?
And we are
What
live.
up?
And we are
Hello?
live.
Maybe that should say
How's it going?
HPJ, like when you go to IKEA.
How's it going?
HPJ, like
Hold
that should
on.
say
How's it going? Hold on.
Hello.
There is some
Hello.
ridiculous feedback. There is some
Hello.
ridiculous
Isn't that
feedback.
going-
There is some
Is it from me?
ridiculous feedback.
I-
There is. It was my bad.
Who's feeding back?
It was me. It was me. It was me. I accept that. I feel like I know
Is it
they
still
just
there?
said that these are getting a little bit more professional.
Joke's on you, fam.
Yeah, I know. That was a wild feedback loop. Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure that this hey is like on brand. Let's do hey. with
Oh, I was
truck.
gonna make a very ugly font, but that's fine.
You're gonna make it a very ugly.
Oh,
font.
yeah.
What's your
I was
favorite
gonna say,
font?
I don't know, but I mean that's
Jay, IKEA.
Yo,
you
share the
ha-
file and where can you send me the file?
If you want this to be on brand, there needs to be a fake in front of hey.
Wait, you don't have the file? Here we go. Hold on.
Jake, I just invited you.
Is it in Slack?
It should be in Slack.
And I just sent you an invite via your email.
Okay.
The Figma bot in Slack is alerting me.
Hey.
Hey. All right. How's everybody doing today?
really good. Fantastic.
How's chat doing?
Oh, hi Nate.
Yeah. Hi, Nate.
Happy Friday.
Happy
We
Friday.
should we do some introductions?
I think we should do some introductions.
That's probably
Sure.
a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's start all the way from the my left over
Left.
here. Lauren, do you want to start?
Hello, it is me, Lauren. I am here. Hey, fam. I'm Lauren. I'm a designer advocate. I am based in Connecticut, and I'm excited to be here. After you, my friend Akbar.
She's gonna popcorn over to
Hi,
you.
everybody. I'm Akbar. I am a developer advocate at Figma. Super excited to be here and just chill with the gang. And congrats, Nate, on giving the Figma crash course to your dev team.
Ooh. Yeah. Congrats, Nate. Always appreciate other advocates that, just continue to preach the gospel of Figma. Hi, everybody. My name is Miggy. I'm a designer advocate here at Figma for education. And if any of you are joining in from New York or Boston, we're actually going to be coming through with a ice cream truck, giving out
Providence,
free
too.
ice cream. Oh, yeah. Providence, Rhode Island. So Lauren and Mal are both going to be joining us. Yeah. I'm going to popcorn it over to Mal. Mal, how's it going?
Hello, my name is Mallory. You can call me Mal or whatever. I am from Charleston, South Carolina right now, but I grew up in the East Coast all my life. Well, I guess I'm still in the East Coast. I grew up in the Northeast, so I'm from Massachusetts. Excited to be back in Boston, I guess, or whatever. Oh, I'm also a designer advocate. Yeah. Anyway, off to you, Jake.
What up, everyone? I'm Jake. I'm based in Chicago. I'm a developer advocate. My chair's turning radius is perfect for the edges of the circle, and I can't stop watching how I can go from one side to the next just by turning in my chair.
Those are real ergonomics right there.
Yeah.
Someone says they hear there's a designer advocate named Dylan.
DJF.
Yeah, he advocates. He advocates for design.
He advocates for design, for sure. He's like the original, the OG advocate. All right, cool. So just so y'all know, we don't really have like anything particular today, but I did want to just open the floor if there's anybody here that would like to share some Figma. I think the original concept of this was that we were going to show each other something, so I know Lauren,
Yes.
yeah, like is there something you would like to show us or something you want to talk about?
I would love to show you a feature that I used this morning, and it blew my mind. It's one of the Little Big updates. Miggy is very heavily involved in the Little Big updates. If you've seen any sick GIFs from the Little Big updates, that was our boy Miggy doing all those. Amazing job. But I also know Lauren. Oh, that's Mal. I was like, somebody knows me in the chat. So you'll probably have to do it because you can't see me do it with the version history because
I
we're
could
on
do
your
it.
screen, Maggie. But you can basically now, if you go into your version history and you go back like to a past version, you can very easily copy and paste stuff, which I use this a lot because when I'm doing demos, I will often like reuse a file for demos because like a lot of people are asking about the same things, like whether it's auto layout or whatever. And the problem is that when I do the demo, after the demo, like it'll get a little bit messed up or whatever. It doesn't look like it did from the beginning. And I want to copy and paste like what I did in like the first version versus the second. And it's very easy to copy and paste stuff from old version history now. And I think that is very, very handy. Miggy is doing it live for us. So he's going to create a named version history here.
Yeah. So I'm creating some version history right here, Windows 2024. All right, I'm going to do this be like the purple one. Let me see. So let's take these all. Let's make these the purple. For some reason, designers are obsessed with purple on design Twitter. I wonder what that's about. So here we go. I got some purple.
Really?
I'm going to go up here, show version history. Yeah, they're like really obsessed with purple. Add version history, purple for design Twitter. All right. So you're Lauren. So as Lauren mentioned, you can come up here, you can go to version history, and you can see that we have these 3 different versions, right? You got the red squares, got the blue squares, we got the purple. And yeah, Lauren. So if I were to copy this one, I can copy this.
Yep, you could. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So what it used to be is like you could kind of look at the old version history, and what we actually multiple people on this team learned, we didn't realize that you could before go into the layers panel and grab it, but now if you just kind of select one of those on like your actual canvas, if you select one of those blue ones on your canvas, you can way more easily just copy that, go to your current version history or wherever you want to go. Go back to your current and hit done up in the left hand corner. Sorry, yeah, left hand. Oh, and you can do it there too. And then he can paste it right into our current version history. So very handy to grab stuff from past Lauren and bring it into future Lauren or present Lauren. Back to the future.
But yeah,
that's what they should have called this update.
Like you said, we all learned at the same time that you could have always done that. It was always a thing, but from the layers panel.
What are I feel like that's a good topic of what are the things that you learned like multiple years into your Figma journey that you were like, oh my God, I can do this? Because I feel like that's a big thing for me, is very much acknowledging that like, even though we're all designer and developer advocates, I feel like we're all still learning all of this stuff. There's so much in Figma to understand. For me, it was, I think it's delete and heal was a huge one for me. And what others? There's so many others, but what are like little tips that you all learned that you were like, oh my God, this is a thing that has been around in Figma. Like, this is insane.
I feel silly for this, but I just realized like in the design layers panel, the overrides or reset changes. Mm-hmm. and that you can specify which ones for a component. Like if you just want to reset the fill. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't know why I never saw that, but
there's just like I think it's because there's so many things that you can do in this program that it's almost impossible to know all of them. So even little things that, and also too, it's like little things like that. We always talk about the very big stuff. Like we always talk about like huge new features and like variables and all of that stuff. But there's little things like this that like they're somewhere on the internet, like deep in a help article or something, but it's not the stuff that like people are going to make huge videos about, so it's easy to like slip through the cracks, but they're such key important things to me.
Maybe it's also it should be in the right panel too.
Where is it?
Like whenever I thought it was in.
So here, I just made my changes.
Yes, so if you make the change, you go to the component on the right, like and you hit the 3 dots.
Yep.
That's what I didn't know about.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Make that a little bit bigger. So so we select this, we come over here for the 3 dots. Oh, Jake's in the way. Hold on, let me move Jake over there for a second.
Jake. Sorry, I'm sorry.
So right here, yeah. So you can reset the fill, you can reset the label property like individually.
Yeah.
And, yeah. And then one thing that I always loved, I'm gonna put Jake back because he's yawning. I really appreciate like the little things like right here, like the go to main component in library, and it's gonna like take me right to that library. And then I think the thing that like a lot of folks usually don't know is that if I was in that library, which I think I have edit access, I'm about to screw some stuff up. No, I'm not going to. If the definition and the instance were in the same file, so let me detach this one, and if I were to make this a component, and then if I was to make a change here, as long as these are in the same file, I can push these changes to the main component. So if I'm like riffing on a concept, oh wait, Jake's in the way again. Hold on. There we go.
Jake, move.
What can I say? I like to get in the way.
So here, oh, he's still in the way. Hold on, I'm gonna move him up. Here we go.
So what happens when you have 5 people?
I'm physically moving my body to get out of the way, but it's not.
Not a thing. So yeah, so right here, push changes the main component will then like go back. So like if you're in a library file and you're riffing and you're just like, I made this the way that I want to, and I want to apply that style back to the original, you can easily do that. So here, I'm gonna put Jake. Jake's coming next to me now.
Ooh, Jake, you got in trouble.
All right. But yeah.
You should put all of our faces up where our avatars are in the Figma file, so that it looks like a new feature.
Yes.
So,
Honestly, I would pay $1 million if this was an actual feature in Figma.
That would be the
That's so
great
fair.
level of productivity.
oh my god.
I was building a widget for FigJam that allowed you to do like video chat in like a UI window. And my idea was that it had proximity chat. So the closer your cursors were, the louder each other were. And then the further your cursors were, it would sound like you're really far away. So you could go to like corners of the FigJam and like do a little huddle, and then someone could come in and listen to what you're doing and then move away.
Yep.
Oh my
My
god.
dream was that it would be like, like how cool would video chat be with proximity enabled in a FigJam file?
I
It's gonna
love
move
that.
it a little closer to you. Hey, Jake.
Absolutely.
It's so good if we're all just singing different songs in different corners
go.
of the FigJam file.
Well, I was just thinking of playing Among Us in FigJam. That would be so much fun.
Play what?
Among
Among
Us.
Us.
Oh, Among Us.
Yeah.
Going into the
I never
corners
played that.
to like secretly plot against one of the other players.
There's two in the chat. 2 people put in their aha moments. Where would they go? Oh, that you can select the same layers with a little target icon. That one's huge. That one's huge for me for when you go from what is it? If you created variants and you want to go into making them component properties, that one's huge. And then also the fact that Hug Contents is this person's username, and they had a mind-blowing moment about auto layout. I think it's just a beautiful thing.
Wait,
that you
someone's
can-
Hug Contents is their name?
What?
Oh no, did you just
Oh,
say
yeah,
their
Hug
name was Hug
Contents.
Contents?
Yeah, their name is Hug
someone's
Content.
Do I not?
Legally, actually, in fact.
Legally?
They
On the
changed
birth
it.
Their legal name is Hug Content.
That's amazing.
Okay.
First name Hug, last name Contents.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Yeah, like what were you saying? I totally ruined what you were saying.
That's Mr. Contents to you.
Mr. Content.
Listen up, kid.
Hug Content.
I'm just waiting for I'm just waiting for Phil Parent to fill the to pop in the chat.
Oh god. All right.
Figma joke.
That-
I really like this all as like little heads up here.
Yeah,
I'm
this
I'm
would
still
be the
curating it a
idea.
little
We
bit.
need to go back to the product team immediately with this live stream and tell
Yeah.
them that we did this.
This is what they
Yeah.
have to make. All right, Akbar, you're just gonna cover the headphones icon. I can't really go much smaller than this. Oh wait, I can make it
Who needs
bigger.
headphones?
Okay, I can make it bigger.
Oh.
There we go.
There we
You
go.
can put me smaller, and that way it looks like I'm wearing the headphones.
That can be accomplished. Here we go.
I'm the only person on here that's not wearing headphones, I think.
I'm
There you
not.
go.
I think
I'm not cool enough.
Mal, you're hella cool. You're the coolest.
when I get swapped out, Val, you can have the headphones.
Got it. Let's ask the chat for some questions.
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Anything goes, kind of.
I mean, hold on. This is the internet we're talking about.
Anything is not good.
I said kind of.
Anything goes.
Not okay.
All right. Any questions? Ooh. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to put like a perfect little like rectangle behind
What up,
us.
Alex D?
Ooh, Alex D's in the house.
With the pen icon.
Lots of them.
Alex D dropping the pen tool in the chat.
Yeah, what does that mean?
We're pen pals.
I-
Oh yeah.
Ooh, pen pals.
I
It's a
miss
great
having
name.
pen pals.
All right. So yeah, does anybody in the chat have like any questions? You have a wealth of knowledge up on this toolbar right here.
What's your least favorite shape to draw?
To draw?
All of them.
Jeez.
I'm really bad at using the pen tool. Wait, like, you mean using the shapes? Or like
Oh.
actually with the pen tool?
Yeah.
Mine-
Least favorite shape to draw, and can you draw it for us right now? With a
Fly.
pencil tool.
With the
Mine-
pencil
Oh.
tool.
Okay,
Shape
pencil
drawing-
tool, I'm down.
Dude,
Pencil tool
Pencil
shape
tool.
drawing challenge.
All right, Mallory, I'm
Okay.
following you.
Who okay.
Oh,
Mal, we're all gonna draw with the pencil tool, like, I don't know, a hexagon or something. Someone say a shape, and then we
I'm trying
vote
to
on
figure out what a
who
hexagon
does the
is.
best one with the pencil tool.
is that the stop sign? Like, I'm trying to visualize
Hold on.
it.
Are we doing
This is
hexagon?
not the two less signs.
Here.
The cool S from a
Here, I'm gonna put a
octahedron? I don't
section.
even
Oh,
know.
I got the cool S. I'm starting with the cool S. Let's do this. Oops.
Drawing
Oh, the
contest.
I
S.
can't.
Oh, the cool S.
Wait,
Yes. the cool
Everybody
S.
knows. Wait, Mal, do you know what the
Hold
cool
on.
S is?
I'm cheating.
how do you not know what it is, Lauren?
No, I did. I was just afraid that I didn't know how. If you're on the cusp of Gen Z millennial, I didn't
Oh
know.
my
if
gosh,
Gen
this
Zs
is
do
not
the
a.
cool S.
I'm not that young.
I'm not that young. Okay, here we go.
Oh darn!
I'm cheating by.
Are you actually looking at it?
No, I'm watching.
Are you
Aqua
tracing on
draw.
top of it?
No.
Wait, Miggy, that's how
Okay.
you do it? You did yours different. I start out a different
Yeah,
way.
Miggy, yours looks awesome.
Who did this one here? It's not the best.
You know what? I'm feeling really hurt right now.
It's less
Lau-
than I do.
Lauren's got like an
I took
infinity
a
symbol.
risk using the pencil
That
tool.
is, I thought that's what the
And
cool S
you-
is.
And you just
Mine's a little bit of a long boy.
thank you, Mr. Stewart. Thank you.
Oh wait, who did this one? I like this one.
That's Jake.
Me?
Yeah,
Thank
you,
you.
you had the color. You actually did color.
I was just in purple already, so I just rolled with it.
Proving the purple trend.
The purple trend. It's trendy.
It's trender.
Okay, what about like a five pointed star without crossing paths? So like
Ooh.
only the external stroke of a 5-pointed star.
All right, here I'm gonna draw another little drawing section.
Oh, I don't know how to do that.
All right.
We could easily make this in FigJam and invite everyone in.
That's what we did last
Oh
time.
jeez.
Should we swap?
Oh
You wanna-
jeez.
you wanna
Mine
get a-
looks like a guy. Mine looks like a guy. Mine looks like a banana.
That's from Mario Kart, Jake. That's from Mario Kart right there.
Yeah.
All right.
One of the things I've learned when drawing shapes is zoom all the way in, because when you zoom out, the precision is really difficult.
I got the best star over here.
Is
Yeah,
it
it
this?
is pen.
Here, I'm gonna give my star a little top hat. Okay, I feel like we should be just in Fig Jam now and just have other
Yeah,
people come in and draw
swap
with
it
us.
over.
Wait,
All right.
Swap
Well, we can
it
have both open.
All right, I'm gonna do figjam.new.
thank you,
Hold
Alex.
Big jam.
Figjam.new.
It's a little hurting, that purple star. It's just,
Alright.
she's seen better days.
And let me zoom out a little bit. Boop. Go to share and start an open
Oh
session.
wow, Alex, that's so meaningful to me.
All right, so we have the link. I just
Drop it like it's
pasted
hot.
it and I'm pinning it. So it should be in the Discord chat. So as you're joining, just remember, please be kind.
Be nice to each other.
By being a part of a
Be
Figma event, you are
Kind.
part of the
Bring
You're
out the
agreeing
iPad.
to
you're
be
agreeing
nice
to the
forever.
Figma code
For
of
the rest of
conduct.
your life.
Yes.
for the rest of your life, and if you're not, you're going
We'll check up on you.
to. We're gonna revoke your Figma account.
That's
Personally.
how it works. That's how it works.
All
Hold
right.
on. Can someone on my team send me the link? this
It's in the chat.
feels like
I got it.
Boomer in the Zoom call right now.
I'm gonna get this guy out of here.
Like, thank you, Akbar.
All right. So we want to have like a little drawing contest.
Yes.
I'm gonna put out some artboards.
Whoa, where did these clipboards come
I just
from?
realized we didn't do the thing where it's like, where's everybody watching from?
Oh yeah, where's everybody
classic.
joining in from?
Tell us where you... Wow, we have 25. This is big. This is huge. This is amazing.
Meh. This is a lot of people.
This is more friends than I have in real life.
New York.
Grand Rapids,
Montana.
Michigan.
Wait.
Connecticut.
Oh, New Haven.
Hey, Spencer Jackson, New Haven? I'm in Vernon. I'm
Montana.
from Brantford.
I'm gonna get
I'm on
Jambot to
LinkedIn. I'm gonna be your
summarize
friend.
this Fig Jam.
Yeah, let's do some Jambots. Let's write a song together.
Write a song together.
I'm gonna test. Hold on, let me copy my star and see if Jambot can tell me what it is. Here we go. Is it possible to connect? Dang
I
it.
think it has to be a,
Put it in a section.
It has to.
Here you
Wait
go.
a sec. What,
Maybe-
what is going on here?
We're helping you out. There you go.
Similar
Good
stuff.
question.
Show me.
Oh, I think it needs text.
what? Try quick question.
Quick
What
question.
is this?
Quick question. What is this drawing?
It says write something in the sticky. Weird.
There's no sticky.
You can't give it the answer, Miggy.
I gave it the
There
answer.
is a path. That's a path.
Kono. That's the name of the user. Kono asked if we could do Figstrology.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes. At the end, yes.
Yeah.
I think we have to.
Ooh! Guessed a circle.
Are you good? Don't worry, Sam.
Let's run it
We'll
again.
still
Let's
have
run it
jobs.
again.
The internet can't take over yet.
Unclear.
Oh,
Unclear. That's more accurate. Okay, thank you.
but it said a circle when there was a star.
It said a circle. I think it was like, does not compute. I only look at stickies.
Oh my god, we just did a triple high five.
A try-5?
Try 5.
Oh, I think that was 4.
Look at all
What's
these. Everybody.
your
What is happening right now?
favorite sticky in this file?
Okay, y'all, I'm trying to AI this.
AI it up.
Tell me.
Wait, give me what's the one I have to do? Turn this into. Oh, turn this into is a song.
Whoops.
Ooh, yes, a song. Give us a song about Fig Jam Fridays.
Big Jam
Oh, is
Friday
everybody
song.
else hearing music right now?
No.
I'm not.
No? Okay.
I do.
No, I just mean like, Miggy, you turned it on for the stream? Okay.
Yeah, I turned
I
it
was
on.
gonna
for the
play
stream.
music and Fig Jam, but if everyone's already hearing a bunch of stuff, then
Yeah. Let's ask the people.
turn it into a joke.
Are y'all hearing the music?
Jake picked up a pencil. He
No.
had a dream.
You have
Oh,
to
he
do it
doesn't
in
hear
your
music.
country accent, your cowboy accent.
Okay, it's a cowpoke song.
Yes.
I don't know how to sing with a cowboy accent.
Only one way to find out. Live in front of all your favorite
Jake
friends.
picked up a pencil. He had a dream to draw a shining star like one he never seen.
Wait, this slaps. These are great lyrics.
But as he sketched and scribbled, oh, what a surprise. The star came out round and it took him by surprise. Jake's star was a circle, spinning round and round. A misinterpretation, like nothing to be found. But in that little circle, a beauty did unfold, a unique work of art, a story to be told. Everybody, I won't be able to sing that chorus with the same melody again. So,
Are we gonna sing the chorus?
that's a
Are we gonna do the chorus together?
Jigsaw
Circle, spinning round and round. A misinterpretation,
like
nothing
to be
found.
But
But
in that little circle, a beauty did unfold,
It
a
unfolded.
unique work of art, a story to be told.
told.
Wow.
What a classic!
We're getting paid for this, Sam. This is a great day.
Yeah. And this is advocacy.
You can catch this on Jake's SoundCloud.
Yeah, this is actually from the compilation. Now that's what I call advocacy. See you, Scott. Spencer Jackson.
See you. Get some peppies tonight in New Haven.
Lauren.
Oh, Pepe's is
I get
supposed to be
so excited
really
when
good.
I find a Connecticut person just because they don't really exist.
Hold on.
Yeah.
What did with a country accent yield? He had himself a dream. That's great. Oh, what a
That's
song!
You know, that's the
A
remaster.
song. The remaster. Johnny Cash did a cover later in life of that song, actually.
Well, now, should we do
Now-
an actual drawing competition now that we're all in here?
Oh, actually,
Let's,
oh yeah.
Hold on here. Okay.
All right.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Yep.
From memory, now that's what I call music CD cover.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then we'll see who's the closest from memory.
This is gonna be the last thing I do before I drop off.
All right. Are we gonna set a timer? We're gonna set a timer.
Good.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay. The prompt is now that's what I call music. What number? 99.
99.
Now that's what I call.
So we got a
music.
rectangle.
No
99.
cheating, no looking it up.
Yeah, no looking it up. And if you don't know what it is, you can look it up. Okay.
Now that's what I call Fig Jam.
Oh,
That's
someone's
right.
using text. That's smart.
This is a pencil tool challenge.
Who is that? I'm gonna
It's
call him
me.
out.
That's
Alright, you
Akbar.
can't- No.
So this is specifically the one number 99. Now that's what I call music 99.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, we're just trying to get in the realm of who's closest.
I'm excited to reveal.
I don't know if there was a 99.
Yes, there was like wasn't there one like every 3
There's
months?
definitely a 95. I've definitely seen a 95.
Okay. That's an immense amount of records compilations.
Okay, my bubble.
Oh wait,
text-
was it one every year?
I think there's
thought
multiple
it
per
was-
year.
Yeah, I feel like.
Yeah, they
Do
also
they-
had like
Yeah.
Christmas collections and pop.
Oh,
hit.
is it the year that the number is? I thought it was just the compilation number.
No. It was for like
Yeah.
every- It was like a yearly thing.
That's 99
I
years.
thought it was
of-
like volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. But we're saying
They got through a lot of volumes then really quickly.
yeah, no.
Okay, ignore my bubble text,
Oh,
but you get the idea.
jeez.
I think we need more time.
No,
Oh, no.
that's where.
One more?
Can I
One more
redo?
minute.
Can I redo?
Oh my gosh.
Why am I so bad at this?
Well, because you're drawing with a pencil tool and Figma.
This is part of your performance review. Just a heads up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye. It was great having this job.
All right, you gotta go for real. You gotta head
For
out.
6 months.
Oh.
I also do have to head out. But this
No.
Oh, it's a conflict. Okay, bye.
is wow,
Bye,
man,
everybody.
that was so mean.
No, that's
Mal gets
why-
spicy on these like chats, man.
No, I don't.
You totally
Okay.
do. You remember what was the thing? The Figma personas?
Who is whistling my song?
you. So I am now.
It's a hit.
All right.
Wow, I was really off. I just remember the typeface being diagonal.
All right, so we have some contenders here. Ooh, we got
Hold on, I'm
95
Oh,
over here on the
whoever's
right.
this first one, they got it.
No, I
This
think
is
it's
me,
this red one.
Baby.
Yeah, this one looks good. Hold on, let's bring in.
Well,
the
I mean, aren't they the same
original.
except one is tilted?
Exactly, and it was tilted.
Okay.
But I'm saying the cover is tilted. The actual the
Oh.
case.
See, no, there's like now that's what I call music 1. So it's not the year.
Oh, I
It was
found
from
it.
the year one.
I found it.
Which was
Available.
1975.
Okay. Not
Oh,
that
and you're
bad.
doing 99?
It's
Whoops.
this
I'm not
one.
that far off. I'm gonna be honest.
Purple
Oh.
definitely won.
I'm very far off.
I mean, like I
Wow.
told you, it's just that the case is because they would put the case diagonally in the commercial.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would put the
I-
case diagonal.
We all
in the
had
commercial.
a sense of diagonalization.
Yeah, Jake doesn't really have that diagonalization. Look at that.
It's
Not
not
more than
diagonal. It's perspective.
It looks like a
Like
Toilet
y'all
paper.
are just rotating. This is depth. This is a
Wait.
question of depth, not rotation.
Who was purple up here?
I thought that was
Me.
Jake. Yeah, that's Jake. There's no
That's
depth.
you, Jake?
All right,
This is mine. Yeah.
this has been amazing. I hope you guys keep having fun. I have to drop.
Bye,
off.
Akbar.
All right,
Bye.
take care. Thanks for
Alright,
joining.
yeah,
Oh, and he bounced out. So and now there were 4. I mean, Jake's
A
song is a total bop.
misinterpretation like nothing to be found.
Pencils down.
For those just joining, we wrote a country song
Using Jambot.
Using Jambot.
using Jambot.
Might as well just call it
It's a,
Jake
it's
Bot.
it's a western.
Jambot is actually just Jake in the background, feverishly typing things.
How do you get the hand to high five? You hold H. You
Yeah,
touch
hold
H and then you hold it.
You can rapidly go back and forth with your cursor.
It took me forever to figure that out,
Boop, boop, bop,
Miriam.
skibbity bop.
I'm sorry. I worked on that feature.
Wiggle like heck, Figma.
Works on-
Wiggle like heck.
Yeah.
I
Wiggle
love
like
that.
heck.
Y'all
It's
know
a pastime.
the little black lines that come out of that? that's actually SVG code that I wrote that got wrapped in a React component that's actually live. So I have a
Wait,
tiniest little
Miggy,
bit
tell
of
us all
code.
the other things you did. I didn't know
Yeah,
that. I didn't know
let's
you
go
did
through
this.
it.
Yeah.
Wait, Martin's killing it with his drawing right now.
Ooh, where?
Where, Martin? Where are you?
Martin, don't be shy. Come back.
I'm looking.
Oh, is that the cowboy?
Yes.
Leave Martin alone.
Now that's some depth if I've ever seen it.
Where's the cowboy?
Right here.
Shabu. It's
Ooh.
Mysterious Jake, the cowboy.
When I think of wiggle like heck, I think of I think of this.
Uh-oh.
This is wiggle like heck.
Okay, we have to draw that now.
Yes.
With no longer looking. He's gone.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
We got to draw the wacky wailing inflatable man.
Where did this Western scene come from?
May brought it in.
Nate is setting our desktop background to be the West.
Mickey, you're going the wrong way.
It goes anyway. I'm not constrained by ways. Here we go.
Well, oh
That
jeez,
looks like
I'm
a
zoomed out way
creepy
too far.
tree trunk. Here, tell this again. Oh, I like this one. Ah, classic. It is it's all the good ones. What's happening here? Oh, a little birdie. That's fun.
Oh boy,
Right star
You okay?
was a circle.
am I okay?
Yeah. You just said, oh
That's
boy, in a
rough.
very distraught way.
Yeah.
I'm seeing some that look like ghosts in here.
Yeah, those are mine.
What is this down here?
Alex, I'm amazed that this is not considered work for you. Paying attention to this. See, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
Bye, Alex. Thanks for coming.
Alex is a good friend of Figma.
I thought that was who that was, but I wasn't 100% sure.
Yeah, Alex D of Discord fame.
The famous Discord Alex.
All right, I feel like, yeah, okay, it was not too bad.
Ooh, the highlighter tool.
You know
That's a
what?
good idea.
He just came back for a second. There
This
he
is-
is.
Oh, he has hair. Darn.
I'll put it,
Everybody forgot he has hair.
I'll put it in the back.
Yeah.
Someone's making a face of face. Nice, Luke.
All right, so I got a quick question. Do you use the thick line or the thin line when drawing in FigJam?
I
I
default
use
to thin.
whatever it is. Like,
That's so J-coded.
I couldn't be bothered to change whatever it is. Fine.
I go thin by default.
I mean, as you can
Thin
see, I
does-
chose the thick boy.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go
Thin
thin.
does make me feel like a little uncomfortable. Like it's kind of like pointy, you know. Thin lines are very, I don't know, dangerous.
Dangerous.
Spooky.
Look at, I made custom. I'm just
Wow,
I'm just sad I
custom
didn't have
washi
Aqua.
tape?
Yeah.
Now that's
Ooh,
what I call
Maddie.
advocacy.
Okay, Maddie. I'm feeling this.
Where's
I'm
Maddie?
feeling right over
Ah.
here. That's really
I'm
good.
following
That gets a nice little
Miggy.
piece of
There are
washi tape.
2 Miggies in the file. I'm following the other one.
Dueling Miggies?
Oh, there was a drawing Miggy, and then there's like
Oh.
display Miggy.
I was hoping it was going to be the Secretary of Education.
What kind of cheats are you running in Figma? Oh, do you have the app open and then the browser separately?
I just have 2 browsers.
Anybody remember the
2
cheat code
browsers
Rosebud?
in this
Two-
economy?
In this economy? Here,
Star was a circle.
let's see. Wow, I'm gonna move us. Make that a little bigger.
Can you temporarily put my face over my Wiggler's face?
Yeah. Where is your wiggler? I'm gonna find it.
I'm kind of the pink one over by the picture, or purple one.
Who remembers
this one?
Yeah,
It's
that
reminding
one.
me of-
Yeah. Can you rotate me?
Yeah, I can. Give me 1 second.
Or I can also just rotate myself. Hold on.
Yes, you can make custom washi tape.
Oh yeah, baby.
Ooh, there you go.
No, you can't.
That's a great
you can't
tip of
see
it.
right now, but I'm doing this with my fingers. So they're.
Does anybody remember Jello jigglers? That's what wigglers
No.
were.
Yes.
No?
I thought. Anyone remember like the like plastic popsicle molds that had
Yeah.
straws built into them,
Yes. Yeah. Don't they sell those at IKEA?
and then you
Oh
could
yeah,
just,
I have some of those.
when the or it was what was that? Because like when you take the popsicle, how did the straw come into play? Like what? Hold on.
Yeah,
I
you're
must have
gonna need
missed
to put a picture in the file.
Yeah, popsicle mold with straw.
Nate, yours looks like Gumby.
Mhm.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Vintage. You have to always like specify what it is that you're talking about. Yeah, like this. What? Oh, the straw. Ooh,
Are you
check
crazy?
it out. Look at this. I was
All right.
curious, like why, like how it worked. If you follow me,
Oh,
So it's-
oh yeah,
it's
so you can drink the
the
extra.
base
That's
of it. Yeah, the base of it. Yeah.
nothing.
Wow.
Checks out.
Oh, does anyone remember push pops?
Push
Yeah,
pops.
of course.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Like the Flintstone
Like
ones.
the Flintstone. Oh, there's candy push pops, but then there's like the candy push pops were different. Maybe I was thinking the Flintstones thing, but I don't think that was called push pops.
I think it was. That's what we were all
Yeah.
thinking.
Flintstone.
Me and
Well,
my
no,
brother.
I'm looking at push pops as a brand.
Oh, it's push ups. Push ups was
Push
was
ups.
was
Whoops.
Flintstone.
Okay. Push
Oh,
up
push pops. I do remember
Flin-
this now.
Flintstone.
Yeah.
My brother and I had
Yeah.
a system when the ice
There was like
cream
an
would come
orange creamsicle. Oh yeah, it was
Oh,
Yabba
yeah.
Dabba Doo orange.
around. Yum.
Push ups.
Push ups.
Now, do you like your push to be up or pop?
I would.
I don't
love
like that
both of them.
question.
60 push-ups.
Finch does 60 push-ups a day, and their skin is orange.
Yabba dabba doo.
Yabba Dabba Finch.
Yabba Dabba do Orange.
Yabba dabba
It's a
don't.
great semantic name.
Push up orange.
No, Yabba Dabba do Orange.
Yabba dabba doo orange.
It's actually in my design system. It's
Yeah.
tokenized and it has hyphens. Yabba hyphen dabba
Yabba.
hyphen do hyphen orange. It's a primitive.
That's exactly what I mean.
Yabba slash
Yabba
dabba
dabba
slash doo.
yabba dabba do orange 500.
The color ramp of that.
The
wanna
color
know
ramp of
What these other flavors are. It's too blurry to read, but I want to know.
There's Bedrock Berry and Lime Rock Lime.
Mm.
feels like Lime Rock Lime.
Yeah.
They really
They ran
phoned
out.
that one in.
Blue.
Oh,
is
you
the
know what I
best
remembered
flavor
the
of
other day? Mike and Ike's have a new flavor. There's a new type of Mike and Ike's that's like complicated flavors. And like the blue is the same flavor as, do you remember the big blow pops? Like blow pops had a phase where they had just like they were like a quarter pounder version of a blow pop. Hold on.
What?
Maybe
Yeah.
you've never had
Yeah.
a blue pop?
I've never had a blue pop. I've only ever had the orange ones.
Oh.
Curry? Sonic Curry?
What?
What is
The
it?
super blow pop.
Okay, that's amazing. I would eat. Well, that blue looks sus.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Wait,
no.
that's right.
Super-
Ooh, so there's like a legit Figma question. So Oh no.
Oh, we don't have
Yes
time
or
for
no?
that.
No. Says, is custom washi tape only usable by the person who uploaded it? It shouldn't be.
It is.
It is only usable by the person, but you can
Yeah.
duplicate it and then you can use it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can just
Oh,
copy
okay.
and paste it.
Yeah, you
But-
can just copy and paste it. And then you could use
But
other
from the
Actually,
people's.
That would be sick though if you could do like a templated washi tape so that everybody on your team could always use it.
Yeah. But like
Miggy, can you show me how to do custom washi tape? I haven't been paying attention to your screen.
oh, yeah, for sure. All right. Here, I'm going to head over to a blank area. And you're not going to see you're not going to see the file picker, but basically here I go to washi tape and then it'll show up here. I click the little plus.
Ooh.
And then whatever
And then you choose
PNG
like an image?
that you have, yeah. So like,
That's cool.
let's say here, Jake. Let's take a look at these push pops right here. I'm gonna take a little screenshot.
Dude, get those. This would be like a perfect washi tape.
There we go. And I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna hit plus, and I'm gonna grab that screenshot right there, and check it out. 3, 2, 1, boom. There we go.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's a great washi tape.
That's
That's a
amazing.
perfect washi tape.
It just goes on for like ever.
That's
Forever,
really
ever. Forever, ever.
It's push pop washi
cool.
tape.
Ever?
Push pop.
All right, I just want to take a
For
moment
those-
to appreciate
Wait, Luke.
Luke. Amazing.
Oh, a hot dog.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No. What's going on?
What?
I'm making it a washi tape
You're making it a
Oh
washi
yeah,
tape?
make that a washi tape.
with Luke's cursor in it, so we can attribute. There we go.
Wow. Wow.
I have them all like falling off this
Luke.
cliff over here.
It really is a work of art.
This is amazing. Great job, Luke.
Great.
Hey, let's drop the file in the chat again for anyone who's.
Oh, okay. It should be pinned, but I think it loses the pin.
Is it pinned? Okay.
Here.
Well, it's
Just
pinned. If
Put it again, and I'll repin. It's been repinned.
Ooh,
Reppin'.
it's been repinned. No one likes my UI design, but dang, can I make Figstream?
That's more important. 100%.
That's all that matters in life,
Truth.
truly. Oh, these were my go-to. I would get 25 cents I had to go to this camp that I disliked strongly, but they had these blow pops there, and every day I would get a 25-cent super blow pop. So delicious.
Oh wait, these things?
I
Wait,
just-
who ate these things? I've never actually eaten them. I've only ever seen them
What?
in like Halloween candy. These
Oh,
Necco.
the Necco wafers?
Yeah, I've
We
never had a
use-
Necco wafer.
We
So
use them.
If you picture limestone, and
And
then
eat it.
you just put it in your mouth, that's what a Necco wafer is.
Think Charming,
Very
please
charming.
drop it. We're looking. We're waiting for this Fig Gem art piece.
We use Necco. Whoa, who's this? Noah's going wild with these Necco wafers. We use the Necco wafers. My sister does a gingerbread house making situation every November, and the Necco wafers are great for the roof of the gingerbread.
Shingles.
Oh.
Wow.
All right, I'm waiting for this piece by Finch. They're gonna like drop in one of their Big Jam masterpieces.
What about Smarties?
Smarties I'd eat.
What about this?
Has anyone accidentally choked on Smarties, like the powder in the back of
Oh
your
yeah.
throat? Or Pixie Sticks? Like
Oh.
I feel like at least 5 times in my life I've coughed a cloud of Pixie Stick.
That's concerning.
No, because you're like putting you rip off the end and you kind of empty it into your mouth, and then sometimes
Get
it goes
excited.
back too dry too fast, and then you just kind of like geyser some Pixie Stick into the air.
Laffy Taffy was so dangerous for the teeth.
Laffy Taffy.
Oh my
How-
god, yeah, you could just lose a tooth in that taffy.
How about Fun Dip? Did you guys have Fun Dip?
Yeah.
Fun dip. Ooh, goodness. Fun
Maybe-
dip.
Wait, make
Yeah, there was like the little white like candy
Yeah.
spoon.
That dip
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
pretty fun.
And packets of candy powder. I walked past the dentist the other day, and in the waiting room, they had this huge bowl of candy that's just sitting there. And in the back of my mind, I'm just picturing the dentist just, see you again soon, driving business as you leave.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like this Fun Dip is responsible for like a lot of future addictions.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's any candy that has like a procedure is really like, like the Fun Dip. It's like you have to make sure you lick the stick, and then you're like preparing the candy.
I love that. Any candy that has a procedure.
Yeah, that's a part of addiction is like ritual, and so it's really, it's a piece of social engineering is what it is. The candy companies can't be trusted.
Big candy.
I'm gonna put
That's
one
really
of
good
Big candy.
the masterpiece
that's right, big
hot
candy.
dogs next to the Fun Dip.
Yeah, you do get sick of the whole process. You just dump the powder in your mouth. And then you bite into the stick. That's what I used to do as a kid.
Can you imagine this hot dog sandwich with Fun Dip in the middle? That's too much for me.
I'm taking a screenshot
do we have
of
like
this right here.
non-USA candy?
I feel like Finch Charming is probably not from the U.S. since they're saying I love.
Yeah, Finch is
being
hinting
half.
at. Yeah,
Finch, show us some of your favorite candy.
it's like the candy is like not the worst for you, but a little bit of a treat. The U.S. is like full blown.
The cutest British Figma user? Wait a second.
Oh no, I didn't build that proximity voice feature. I built. We basically like widgets need to have special permissions to access the camera that not all widgets can use. So internally, in like the Figma private world where we're running stuff on staging, the widget that I built does this, but it's not something that everyone else can use. And we don't actually use it internally or anything, but we can't demo it is what I'm saying, but it does exist as a widget internally.
Can I see that later? I want to see it later. I was in it. I was in it actually. We did like a test with it, I think.
Yeah, I believe so. Like a while ago. It's really hacking the API to make it work.
Finch Charmy said they better
Finch, you're
stop.
caught.
No, we're
Finch
just
is
giving
caught
you
in
the
1080p. Yeah, Miggy, you could change the stream title, right? You should change it to "Hanging with the Cutest British Figma User."
Let's see.
Also curious, Miggy, what is the category on Twitch for this stream?
Software
Just
development.
chatting?
Software development.
Software development. Great. This is
It's like Jake, develop something.
quick. We could try out. I've got a game widget that I created that's kind of fun.
Ooh.
It's a 2-person game, but it's a. So if you scroll down to me, this is a game called Quarto, and I have a physical version of this game handy.
Hold on one second. I'm just giving like love and appreciation for folks actually dropping in their childhood chocolates and candies.
Oh, amazing! Perfect.
So the Haribo.
Oh, Haribo. Yeah.
How do you pronounce
those
it?
gold gummies are amazing.
All right.
I haven't had the Kinder chocolate thing, but that looks delicious.
It's chocolate.
The kid looks enthralled. Just
Wait,
who's
who did that? Mickey,
It's chocolate.
the red eye though.
Yeah, I did the little red eyes.
the kid is? The kid hasn't slept in 48 hours. Just been pounding chocolate.
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 Wait, has everybody seen? This is like a couple of years old, probably like almost like 7 years old now. But the reviews for the sugar-free Haribo gummy bears,
No.
they're wild. They're wild.
I believe it.
I recommend checking them out.
Uh-oh.
The sour Haribo gummy bears are one of my favorites too. I don't know if you've tried the sour ones, but
Never ever.
All right. Are you setting up your game?
Yeah, let's play a game.
yeah, if you go to look at, and also make my face bigger for a second.
Okay.
So this is the physical game, and there are these pieces that have different traits, like they could be tall or short, dark or light, hollow or solid, and then circle or square, right? So they have these different traits. And if we look at the board game right now, if you follow me in FigJam,
Yeah, 1 sec.
this is a fairly complicated widget. Each of these little nodes is an instance of the widget. But basically, these are the different shapes. So we have hollow and solid. You can see the semi-transparent ones here. We have yellow and gray as the two different colors. And then we have big and small. So there's 4 different traits of these pieces. And the way that the game works is you're trying to get 4 of a trait in a row. So if I do, we'll do rect or square here. So if I do 4 squares, yellow wins the game because yellow just played that last piece, right? And I'm going to have to reset really quick. So the way the game works is a 2-player game. So you're trying to get 4 of a trait in a row. But the way that it works is one team is the yellow, one team is the gray, and you tell your opponent which piece they're going to play. So, Mal, why don't you play with me really quick?
Oh gosh. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So basically, you're going to be yellow and I'm gray.
Okay.
And I'm gonna tell you, you're playing this piece right here. It's like tic-tac-toe meets chess. Now you're playing that piece, so put it anywhere on the board.
Big
and it should
Jambot.
kind of lock into place. Okay, now select a gray piece to give to me to play.
This guy.
Okay, so I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna play it here, and then I'm gonna tell you to play this rectangle. And so basically, you want to play the 4th in a row is what we're trying to do here. Okay, so now you select a piece for me. Okay. And now I'm going to tell you to play this piece here. Now you
I
tell
don't
me
know
a
what
piece to
to
play.
play.
Just give me a piece.
This one.
This circle right here?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to tell you to play this piece. Okay, now give me a piece.
Wait, so now Jake's gonna win, right?
I am
Yeah.
because, well, just give me a piece. Just give me a piece. Give me a piece. No, you can't.
Give me a
Okay,
piece.
fine. Put it. You just give me a piece, Mal. Okay. You're gonna give me this big circle here, so I can play
Either
the
one.
circle right here, and I get 4 circles in a row,
Win.
diagonal. So that's Quarto. Is you take turns giving each other pieces to play, but the board has some actions on it. I don't know, Miggy, if you select the board really quick.
Okay. I selected the board. Yeah.
Those are so you can hit, if you hit like the leftmost action kind of just like fixes the game if it's busted, like if pieces got deleted. I opens up some instructions, and then reset just resets the game, which I just click. But anyway, so that's the game Quarto. It's a fun little game. But it's an interesting case of widgets because this one widget creates a whole bunch of widgets as pieces. So it's a fun case for widgets.
Yeah,
I kind of
it.
love that.
Yeah.
What's the feedback? All right.
Um,
So I'm just trying to play like a quick game. Is there like a feedback on like a win or
Thanks
a
for
lose?
hanging, Maddie.
Bye.
Bye,
Is
Maddie.
there a what? What was it, Mickey?
Is there like feedback on like a win or lose or no? Is it just
Yeah, there is. So when one piece is played and it wins the game,
Mhm.
that means that color was the team that was playing. And so if you put any 4 traits in a row on this board,
any 4 traits in a row? Okay.
yeah, so you could do yellow, or this would be yellow and hollow. Yeah, so you win the game by put. So then if you drag any of those off, it should, yeah. Now put a black hollow piece in there, from the bottom row. Yeah, put that in the right side, because that would also win the game. Hold on. Oh, you need to. The game's already over.
Oh, okay.
Hit refresh and yeah. Anyways,
So 4 hollows, and then would that go to whomever put in the last piece?
yeah, because that's always going to be the you play, like, each team is a color. So if you're playing a yellow piece, that means you're the yellow team. Yeah. The other cool thing about this, it's an interesting way to think about games, because check this out. I'm going to reset the game here, and I can drag all 4 of these in and win the game with one action, right? Because unlike a traditional game that relies on a sequence of events, this relies on the layout of nodes in Figma. So you can make one move to win the game by just dragging all 4 out there, which is kind of cool.
That's really cool.
It's like asynchronous game logic.
I love that. And this is like I could just pull it off like from the community, or like it's just I just search up.
Yeah, if you look up Quarto, which is so it's Quarto. It's just in the Figma community.
That's super fun.
I did not invent the game. The game was invented by someone in the 70s. But it's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Quarto.
Oh yeah. Oh man. And I love how like you drop in all the widgets from the one widget. Oh,
Yeah.
he left. He's gone.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm done. I don't think I'm
This is it.
Oh, hold up.
Yeah, there we go. That's a
4
win
hot
right
dogs.
there.
That's a complete win.
Someone needs to outline it with hot dog washi tape
Oh.
to signify that it's been won.
Oh, I got it.
Bingo. Now that
Quarto.
That's a win.
that's a meta that is exclusive to this live stream. Like, no one knows what that is except for those of us in this stream right now.
Who are here today to witness this
It's
excellence,
The beauty.
the beauty.
The beauty.
Right. I'm making us all little again in the corner. If anybody wants to be made large, just let me know. Mal, Lauren.
I was just large.
I've never wanted to be large.
I have the power.
My body is readjusting to having just been really large. Oh wow! Hey, Lauren.
Hello.
Hello, my
Jake
darling.
Star
Hello, my
was
darling
a
girl.
It's kind of like having like superpowers to just control everyone's avatars like this. I don't take that responsibility lightly.
Was this
You
recorded?
should not.
This is all being recorded. I'm gonna put it up on YouTube after.
Oh no! So my song.
Can you clip that and just post?
I'm gonna clip
We gotta
that.
post that on Slack with no context.
Goodness
Yes.
gracious!
Me mean.
I love this little meme going on down here.
Ramirez,
This is
like
so
he told
good.
you. Are you winning, son? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I love that. That's perfect. Boom. All right, so I think we can close out on any time. I know y'all have to get to some stuff, or we could do like one last thing.
Wrap it up.
Got any other? Hold on.
What up?
Let's look at. Let me
Hold
see.
the phone.
Is there any actual
Hot dog.
cool tips we can?
No.
I'm trying to think. It's weird because
could
I'm
do
already
voice.
working. What? You could do voice
Voice memo.
memo.
Oh, is
should
everyone
we-
aware that this exists? This
Love
is my
voice
favorite
memo.
thing to give. I
Here.
love, like, we do a lot of birthday cards at Figma and like wedding cards and enjoy your PTO cards. And my favorite thing to do is drop a voice memo. Yeah, here. There's
Happy
instances
Friday
of it.
cards.
This is your voice memo.
There
And
we
you
go.
could be like,
Howdy.
happy birthday, Dad.
And then here,
Do you work with your dad, Jake?
Yeah. No,
Is
no.
your dad?
Do I
good?
use Fig Jam at home? Yes.
Jake picked up a pencil.
This is your voice
And a
memo.
I'm playing it.
This is your voice memo.
Oh, we can.
This is your voice memo. But it's,
It's perfect.
I don't know. Thank you, Kono. Fig Jam at home? Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that being on Spotify.
Fig Jam at home?
Watch it.
Yeah.
Oh, and it shows who's listening to it. I like that.
All
What?
right, that's pretty cool.
No, that's what I call.
All right,
hobbies.
team.
All right,
Thank you
I'm
for
gonna-
joining for the Fig Jam Fridays.
Fig Jam Fridays. Yeah, thanks everybody for joining for Fig Jam
Yeah.
Dude,
Fridays.
this needs to be every Friday.
Yeah.
I
Let's
need this to be my job every Friday.
let's think of some prompts for let's think of something. I don't know, organized for next Friday
We'll
too,
think
though.
something. I just love this board. This board is
Yeah, this
amazing.
is awesome.
And I
I
really
don't know.
love-
We weren't lacking content. To be
You're
honest.
right.
Like, if you look at Miggy's screen right now,
Highlight of the
Good,
week.
glad to
Oh my
see
gosh.
that.
Bop, bop,
Love
bop.
that.
Oh, we got bops and virtual hugs from
Pops
Figma
and
Ram.
virtual hugs.
Thanks for joining. We really appreciate y'all for being here.
Everybody
So,
has-
well, I'm not going to be around the next week. Does anybody else want to host?
Someone needs to learn OBS.
Lauren.
Figure.
Maybe I'll be good enough by then. We'll see.
Maybe I'll be good enough by S.
Yeah.
You can do it. You can
And
do
with
it.
that, we'll see you later, Sam.
All right.
Catch you
We're
on the
closing
flip
on that.
side.
Okay.
Take
Hi,
care,
thanks
y'all.
everyone.
Thank you. You're the
Doo-doo.
best.
This, physical